relationship exciting is very important, because a lot of times couples can go through a time when everything seems so mundane. So a great way to keep your relationship exciting is to be spontaneous. Being spontaneous is extremely attractive and extremely conducive to a very healthy and enjoyable, long-lasting relationship. There's several ways you can be spontaneous. A really great way that you can be spontaneous is to set up a trip somewhere. Set up a trip somewhere, by air or by sea. It doesn't matter. Or by land. It doesn't matter. But be spontaneous and surprise your partner. Surprise your mate with a spontaneous trip somewhere. It could be a trip to anywhere. It could be a trip to some place in the world that she or he has been dying to go to. That would actually be a great way to be spontaneous and to surprise your partner. In some ways it is planned, but at the same time it's spontaneous because your partner doesn't know. So in one way you actually planned out the trip, obviously, but your partner doesn't know about the trip. So to your partner it's a spontaneous move, and it's a surprising move. So in a weird way you've got two different things occurring there. One is spontaneity and another is planned action. But in the end, it is spontaneous to do that. It is shocking, surprising. It will surprise your partner. It will make your partner obviously extremely happy, especially if you pick a place that they have been dying to go to. So be spontaneous, be daring, be bold, keep your relationship exciting, keep your relationship enjoyable, and it should be a long-lasting and healthy relationship for the both of you. So great way to keep your relationship healthy, keep it enjoyable, be spontaneous. I'm Lucas. Talk to you next time.